Right, POV driving the 350z. Let's see what it's like. I don't even know if the mic's gonna pick that up, but I think there's something. There's like a fast Audi coming, you know, like it's so fast. Is it just a TDI? We haven't really uploaded quite a lot of content on cars because I'll be honest, we have brought quite a few cars, quite a few project cars, and because of that, we kind of like made a boo-boo because we bought too many projects. So we can't really like stick to one project because I feel like the way we want to move forward is make series on each car, but we just haven't got to that yet. But we will get there. Oh wow, this car is crazy. It sounds so crazy as well. I just hope the mic is picking it up. Oh man, NA car, NA. But oh wow. 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 Oh wow, that is terrific. You know, normally like I'd have to talk about the car, but the car just speaks for itself. Just such an agile car this is. Out of gear. Oh, I like Labradors. The heavy one didn't look like a Labrador though, did it? Labradoodle. It sounds so loud. I don't know if the mic's picking this up. Wow. Yikes. I believe these are like about 6 seconds. That's the 350z making all that sound. So the modification that we got in the car. I'm cold. Heated seats. I think it sounds pretty mad. You know, like on low gears, you can hear the exhaust proper then. I'm like driving normally now. Like, it sounds not too bad. See that? On normal drive. That's with the window open, but if you close the window, sorry, it's a lot more, it's just a deep growl the car makes. So at the moment the car's running perfectly fine now. There's no problems, there's no issues. We've had the car checked up in every way. It seems to be running perfect. I mean, it is 80,000 on the mileage. I do want to mention to people that this car is actually for sale. The reason why we're looking to sell it is because we wanted to make the 350z into a drift car, but this is a convertible hardtop and you can't really drift with them because the welding points of the car is a lot more like structured, it's a lot more heavier, it's a lot more like the car's a bit imbalanced for drifting. So I'm not an expert, but somebody did mention that to me. I got told with the BMW that all convertible cars are not really, I mean, it's not to say that you can't drift them, you can drift them, but you could just drift better with the coupe. I actually feel like I'm in a sports car. Oh, there's police. I got on the front number plate. I'm gonna get pulled over now. So much traffic on a weekend. This car is waiting to be unleashed. You know, I would have thought this being a V6, 3.5 litre V6, I would have thought it would have been a lot more revvy type car, Japanese car, JDM, you know. But it only revs up to just about 7,000 RPM, and then it hits its limit. Nothing more. It's a bit more quiet now. That's a GI Yaris. He's clearly enjoying his B-road weekend. Not to mention that this car's got cruise control as well, which is pretty cool. It's a big steering wheel though, isn't it? This car is big. Oh, messed up there. Then the car's like going like this is stuck. I'd say about 280 brake. You can have a bit of play in the bends. You have to really concentrate. Wow, this car is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I just want to say thank you to everybody watching the video. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. It's a raspy car, right?
Yeah, I've nothing compared to Mercedes.
Oh no, of course not.
Offensive.
Yeah, go ahead. It's quiet when you got the windows closed. Yeah. It's alright. See. Expected from this?
Yeah, well, yeah, I want something that's nice, quick, but not stupid. Like that.
Yeah.
192 mile an hour the Merc did.
Wow. Yeah.
It was just phenomenal, but it's just impractical.
I think this
especially being a lorry driver.
Yeah.
I can't risk losing my licence. I'm in prison. Got a mate who's in prison. Who's going to
of course. It's the bread and butter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Neighbours, they don't like me. Honestly, they don't.